Hello, welcome to Physics. My name is Mona Hadarian and I'm the subject leader for Physics. Normally, we would have welcomed you in person to the course. Sadly, this year we can't do that, so we've put together a short clip to try to address the points that we would normally discuss. This clip will tell you a little bit about the course overall and will introduce the topics, skills required for studying physics and summer assignments to you. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact me using the details included in this presentation. As you can see here, the exam board that we follow in physics is OCR A, and there is some brief description of OCR examination and practical endorsement status. I've also included here a little information about the typical class size, the amount of homework you can expect, and the trips which physics students undertake during the first year at Strode. In the next few slides, I'm going to answer a few questions you might have about the topics we cover, how the course is assessed, and what do you need when you join the class in September. Physics is a subject divided into topics, and the aim is to cover the key concepts in Year 1 and use this as a solid foundation to expand knowledge in Year 2. The Year 1 content will be familiar with GCSE physics, but we will broaden this information introducing a more in-depth mathematical approach. Therefore, the requirements of undertaking the two subjects together, maths and physics. The practical endorsement consists of a series of almost 40 practical skills you will need to acquire during your lab work over the 2 years of studying physics. My students think that this is the most enjoyable part of the course. Almost all of these skills will be assessed through observation while you're carrying out lab work. A pass or a fail will be claimed at the end of the course, and some of you will need this to pursue higher education. This is not a coursework, although we will keep evidence of your lab work. On this slide, you have a brief description of how physics is going to be examined. As you see, there are only written exams, and based on the 3 papers, you will receive a final grade. Practical endorsement is not part of this grade, but some of the skills gained during the lab work will be assessed in writing as, for example, processing data using graphs, calculating errors, and being able to choose the right instrument for an investigation. This is what you need to have with you when you start attending physics lessons in September. I recommend that you don't buy the textbook yet, as the college will give you access to an online textbook for the first 4 weeks. Finally, I wanted to spend a couple of minutes talking about the summer assignment. As I told you previously, mathematical skills are essential for a good progress in physics. Therefore, your summer assignment focuses on this. You need to complete the booklet provided, which covers basic algebra, trigonometry, and calculus, all essential skills a Year 1 physics student must have to be successful. The second task of the assignment asks you to enhance your knowledge about physics by choosing two of the actions listed and writing a short review. When reviewing, try to focus on the scientific aspects of the content. So that's it from me. I hope I have answered most of the questions you may have had about physics, and I'm sorry that I can't meet you in person yet. I'm looking forward to meeting you all in September. If you have any other questions about the course, please do get in touch. Have a wonderful summer and stay safe.